to talk about 5 things that are very important to everyone. Do you eat every day?
Yes.
So we'll start with you. What do you eat every day? Tell me. We have to be quick. Who's ready to tell me quickly? What do you eat for breakfast, lunch?
Milk,
Yes?
bread, jam and bread butter.
Milk, then what else?
Bread, jam and bread butter.
Okay,
Chapati.
for breakfast. All that at one time?
No chapati at lunch.
Okay. All right. Hmm?
Dinner.
At dinner already? Dinner. Tomato soup with what? Oh, come on. What about you? The girl there, what's your name? Trisha. All right. What do you eat? What do you eat, Trisha? Egg? Eggs and milk for breakfast? Okay, good. And lunch? Good, very good. How about you, sir? All right. How about you, ma'am?
I eat omelette sandwich and tea for breakfast. I eat chana and rice for lunch. And for dinner I eat dal and rice.
All right. Anyone eats green vegetables? Eat green vegetables? Good. Cabbage and cauliflower are green. Never mind, but you eat vegetables, that's the thing. Who eats green vegetables? Yes, tell me. Do you eat it? All right. What about you, Josh?
Peas.
You eat peas, very good. Yes, ma'am. What about you? Excellent. And you? Palak. Methi? You eat methi? Very good. And how about you? Yes? Good. Good. All right. How many times do you eat noodles? How many times in a week? Once a week? Once a day? Once a day? Thrice a week. All right. Yes.
Sometimes.
All right. Once a day you have noodles? Every day. Okay. How about you, Sheldon? Of course. Of course. What about you? Yes, Tarushi. How about you? How many times do you have noodles, all of you? Once? Only once in those 3 days. All right. And you do eat green vegetables, all of you. What's your name? Eating vegetables is very important to all of us. Why? Because proteins, no. Carbohydrates, yes. Have you heard about carbohydrates? I want to tell you. Carbohydrates give us energy. We need energy to run, to walk, to talk, to listen to me, and to do anything that you want. You require carbohydrates because they give us energy. Now what I talked about are good carbohydrates. They are good carbohydrates, okay? We also have bad carbohydrates. which give us energy but no nutrition. Not quite. I'll tell you examples of bad carbohydrate. It means cakes, pastries, fries, burgers, bhajiyas, all those things. Huh? Chaklis, yes. Yes, what do you want to tell me?
There are some types of bad bread also. Yes.
Bad bread. Yes.
And the whole wheat bread,
That is? Whole wheat bread is your chapatis. The other whole wheat bread that we buy is really not whole wheat bread. It's bread with a little brown color. Okay? So they're fooling us. They cannot afford to sell whole wheat bread because whole wheat bread does not have staying power. It spoils immediately. So the only whole wheat bread are your chapatis or your bhakris or things like that. You understand? Okay, so why do you need, I told you, you need these carbohydrates for giving you energy. We need good proteins. Now these don't contain proteins. Can you give me an example of good proteins? Yes. Fruits and vegetables are your carbohydrates. Yes, therefore, it is important to have a lot of fruits and vegetables. And we have a lot in India.
But some fruits are not rich in carbohydrates.
All fruits have carbohydrates. All fruits have. At my age, and I'm nearing 50, half my food are fruits. But you, at your age, must have a lot of more protein. Yes, sir.
And protein is like fish, chicken, egg also.
That's right.
And sometimes I have vegetables.
Good.
Also,
Now what I want to tell you, good, very good, those who are having. What did you mention? What's your name? So good proteins are what he mentioned. Tell me, Rahul.
fish, chicken and egg.
You tell me, Arrow. So good proteins are, because I'm a vegetarian, I'll give you example of good vegetarian proteins like rajma, chauli, mung. And there's something called val. Those are good proteins, have them. Alright, so what we also need from carbohydrates, proteins, we also need something else. Like what? See, when I talked about vegetables and fruits, they not only have carbohydrates, they also have vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and everything valuable that we need in our body. All of this, whatever. We also need something else. I want you to hold your nose. Come on. Let me see how long you can hold. You need air. Yes? And you also need a lot of water. Now water is your best beauty drink. Water is your best healthy drink. It's the best health drink, best beauty drink. It? That's right, it helps us. Yes, it improves circulation. So we must have ample water. But not too much. But we must have enough. Alright? When I said we need vitamins, minerals, so this calcium, iron, your chlorine, your magnesium, everything that you see outside in the fresh, in the air, you also need it inside you. Iron for building red blood corpuscles. We need iron, yes? Sometimes, I don't know if you've seen any people who feel very weak. That means they're anemic, they have not enough blood in their body. Yes, so we need especially green vegetables. Green vegetables contain iron. Palak has also got the highest content of calcium. Why do you need calcium? Spinach or palak. Why do you need calcium? It builds our bones, our teeth, everything. Muscles would be proteins. I'm sorry? Milk has calcium, but the highest content of calcium is contained in green vegetables. How many of you have these colas? Who drinks Coca-Cola and Pepsi and things? Tell me. You must be honest. How many of you drink? You drink? Good. How much do you drink?
I don't have lots.
You have lots?
I drink very little.
And you? You? What about you? How much?
I don't drink only.
Very good. All right. Yes?
And Sprite.
You drink? All right. I want to tell you something.
I think sometimes on weekends, when I drink,
I know. See, I don't blame you. Because everybody is advertising for the cold drinks. Sachin Tendulkar and Amir Khan. And who else? Shah Rukh Khan. In fact,
Salman Khan.
I met him once and I said, just stop advertising for these drinks because he has small children. And I said, every time you advertise and every time you talk about these cold drinks, yeah. And I'll tell you the damage that these cold drinks do. First, they fill you up because they're full of carbon dioxide. Okay? So have less of it. Have less of it. Okay? Have as less as you can. They fill you up. They also have excess phosphoric acid, which is weakening to the bones. All right? And therefore, when you drink too much of it, you get very nervous. You're jumping all the time. You can't sit and concentrate. You can't sit and do any work. Try to eat a lot of carrots and things. You speak very well, by the way. Please tell your mother.
Ma'am,
Yes? Huh.
I don't drink colas and Pepsi.
Very good. Very good. So eat a lot of these vegetables so that, yes.
And not necessarily should never ever happen. Can have a chocolate.
That's right. But you know, they're so habit forming. You have some, then you like it so much, you go on having a little more, little more, little more. You know?
Yes.
All right. So that, and so remember we need all these things. We need good proteins, and that's how you'll get beautiful hair. You'll get a beautiful skin. You'll build strong bones. And the other thing, last important thing in this session, because I have to take the other session also. But next time I'll do a little more on other things. Yes? And being polite, being clean in your habits, putting back your things in their proper place. Will you do that? Will you leave the toilets neat and dry? Neat and clean?
Yes.
From today, your mother should see a difference in you. When you go back, I want her to see a very neat and clean boy who's particular about putting his things back in their place, putting dirty clothes in the dirty linen basket, and picking up his clothes and putting it in the thing. Yes? And you leave the toilets clean. And you mentioned about glucose. Now, eventually every food, everything that we eat turns into glucose. That is how it's absorbed in our body. That's how it's assimilated in our body. Suppose we're eating a piece of carrot. It has to be masticated by the teeth, then get into the stomach and digest. Yes. So then, and then it churns in the stomach, and it becomes small. It goes into the bloodstream after that. So the better quality foods that you eat, the better kind of blood that you will have, the better health you'll have, the better skin you will have, the better good hair that you will have. Yes? And the more you will be able to concentrate. And do you all play any games?
Yes.
All of you?
Yes.
Very good. Keep playing games. You know why? That will increase your circulation. It will help the food to be absorbed better. Yes.
By morning we breathe up, that's why we jog. Because our hearts beat fast.
Very good. Very, very good. So it improves the circulation. Blood is flowing to all parts of the body and things. Now, unfortunately, we have to end today's session here.